Kote jorwamu emaze biro bishatu muri Mbarara ebembirwa baramuza baramu Ivar Swata, Oscar Chika hamwe na Asa Mugenyi. Omumanja 25 hezurirwe habiri harimo amanja 12 z'obwisi 11 zo kutoroboza gumwe go kwiba hamwe na gundu go kwamba kandi hariezi imanja 22 nzo zikozurweho ishatu nizija korwaho kwezo kutakahwiri zimwe hamanje zikozurweho harimo gwa Mugabe Jamiru okurwa mu district ya Kanungu wakomerwe myaka 80 bwa nyuma yo kwita abantu babiri kandi ogu omukujurura abaramuzi bagizirengwe kifubire cya muhirwe nicyo kandi ashemerire kugumizamu akakora obusubye kumara imyaka 80 ya muchwerirwe.
The sentence imposed by the High Court against the appellant for the reason of right and information set aside. The sentence the appellant to 18 years imprisonment and deduct therefrom a period of 1 year and 5 months spent on remand.
Abandi abajurire harimo Birungi Chelsea owacherwe koma imyaka 18 ogu bashazireho bwire obuyamazira hari rumanda emyaka yashuma yazahari 16. Shidakera Ezekias wanachivara gachirwa kwa myaka 20 hapo kwita kwa nyuma yo kujurura ichendire yazahari 19. Tube nawe Benadi na wakashirwa imyaka 20 kwa nyuma yo kujurura eshumire yazahari 19 kandi Kakuru Nicholas akatoroboza imyaka 6 yachirwa kwa myaka 20 kwa nyuma yo kujurura na ija koma imyaka 14.
Sentence was passed by the High Court. The appellant is to continue serving the 20 years imprisonment of each count of murder which will run consecutively. This appeal is accordingly dismissed. We so order.
Emanje sinjire harimo gwatuyahe wa Francis wabyacayirwe komwa maisha Muhanji Obedi wacayirwe ko myaka 15 hamwe na Mugisha Demilian kandi abaramuzo bagize ngo bijja ko bana bamanyisa obwe manje zabo zirije kurwa.
Satisfied with the sentence passed in the trial court and filed an amended memorandum of appeal against the sentence only on the ground that the trial judge had in law and fact when he imposed the harsh and excessive sentence of 40 years for two offenses of murder to run consecutive and thus occasioning miscarriage of justice.
Abaramuzi basimire nkwatanisa okureba ngo kurure manje zikwaho kurunji.
Thank you very much everybody who has participated. Special thanks goes to our stakeholders who are not part of the court, who appeared at the beginning of the session. I will not repeat them, you saw them, but special thanks to police, special thanks to the prisons.
To talk about reading, I encourage you to read even other texts beyond the law, so that you're able to understand, your tool of the trade.
Gashakwa na Good Fatima.